So in today's video, we will be learning how to draw a regular pentagon when side is given. So before discussing pentagon, we should know what is a regular pentagon or what is a polygon. So let's start from the polygon. So about polygon, you must have gone through several types of definitions in mathematics and in other science subject. But for this drawing class, you should understand that polygon is a regular figure or regular geometrical construction which consists of more than two sides and the figure is closed. So as per this definition, let's say we have a geometrical figure which consists of two sides. So this is angle and this is not a polygon. At the same time, this geometrical figure has a three sides. Although the number of sides is more than two, but the figure is not closed, so it is also not a polygon. Now this is a polygon. This is a triangle. So triangle is also a polygon where number of sides are three. Similarly, this is not a polygon because number of sides are 4 but the figure is not closed. But at the same time, if the number of sides is more than 2 or 3 and the figure is closed, you can say it's a polygon. So it's a quadrilateral. So any figure, any geometrical figure where sides are more than 2 and the figure is closed, you can say it's a polygon. So from these definitions, triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, heptagon, all these are a polygon. So now let's try to understand, or now let's try to learn how to draw a regular polygon. As you can see here in question number 2, that's a draw a regular pentagon having side was 50 mm. So to draw a regular pentagon, either you are given side or you are given a diameter of circumscribing circle or a diameter of inscribing circle, and sometimes you are given distance between flat surface and distance across corner. We'll try to learn one by one. So let's try to understand, or let's try to learn how to draw a regular pentagon when side is given. Here for example, side is 50 mm. So you should know, we should learn how to draw a regular pentagon when side is 50 mm. So let's focus here. So in first step, you should draw a line of a given length, that is AB. Its length is 50 mm. In second step, you should do two construction, or you should draw two circles as a construction. With A as a center and AB as a radius, you should draw a circle. And again, with B as a center and AB as a radius, you should draw another circle. So this circle will be intersecting at D and C. Then in next step, again with center C and radius either CA or CB, you should draw an arc which intersects this circle at E and that circle at F. In next step, we should join C and D, which intersects that arc EF at G. Now we should join E and G and we should extend it to up to H. At the same time, we should again join F and G and we should extend it to I. So now if you join B and H and E and I, these two are the sides of a pentagon. Now you have a three sides. So now you can simply construct an arc taking radius AI or AB or BH. Basically all these are same. So with center as I and with an arc AI, you should construct an arc, and at the same time you should construct another arc with the center H and radius AI. Then you should join IJ and HJ. Now we have a regular pentagon when side was given. So this is all about how to draw a regular pentagon. Now let's learn how to draw step by step on your drawing sheet. So first we are going to draw a given line, its length is 50 mm. Then in second step, let's say it's A and it's B. Now in the second step, we'll do two construction, or we'll draw two circle with center as A and B and radius AB. Now these two circles intersect at C and D. Now with D as a center and D as a radius, we draw another arc. Now we join C and D. And C and D intersects this arc at, let's say, G. This is E and this is F. Now we join E and G and extend it to H. Similarly, we join F and G and extend up to I. So this is I. Now we join A and I and B and H. So now we have a three side of a pentagon. Now we don't have a sufficient space here, but you can draw other two sides, taking AI or BH as a radius and I and as a center. You should construct two arc, and you should join the intersection of the arc with I and S. Then you will get the remaining two sides. In this way, you can draw a regular pentagon when side is given.